Welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your USDT from Binance to Quotex. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have an account on Binance, and if you do not possess an account on Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT when you register and verify your account using our link. So with your verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you're met with the overview, where you simply scroll from the overview to the spot, and if your token isn't on spot, scroll to funding. Now at funding, all you need to do is simply select the token you wish to withdraw or send or transfer. So by selecting USDT, we can simply click on the withdrawal option and transfer our USDT to Quotex. So now simply click on the withdrawal option and click on send via crypto network. Now once you've done this, simply minimize and open up your browser. So now once you've logged on to Quotex, please make sure you've verified your account and your identity. And once you've done that, once you've successfully gone through the verification process, including the KYC, head over to the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen here. Once there, click on deposit. Now once you've selected the deposit option, simply scroll down and find any of the cryptocurrencies that you wish to transfer from or transfer to. For this, we're going to have to work with either the TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. And you could do this by simply minimizing and opening up your Binance so you can select the matching network from here. By selecting this network option, you can have a look at the fees that are included with all of your transactions on each network. And the cheapest so far has been the BNB. So select the BEP20, minimize, and before you go, please take note of the minimum withdrawal, which is 6. So you have to deposit, or you must have up to 6 USDT before you can send. So now once you've done this, minimize and open up your browser. Okay guys, and once you're back on the Quotex broker, you could simply have a look at the minimum amount by simply scrolling down to the frequently asked question and selecting the question that states, is there a minimum amount that I can deposit on my account? And as you can see here, it's $10 US. So with this in mind, all we need to do now is simply click on this deposit option, which is here. Select the deposit option. And please take note of the network you're sending on, which is the BEP20. And it must be a BEP20 to a BEP20 transaction. So if you're sending from BEP20, you're receiving in BEP20. Copy this address, minimize, and open up your Binance. And with your Binance opened up, simply paste this address here, set the amount, which is the 10 USDT, or you could send an 11 just to be safe, and then click on the withdrawal option. And by doing this, you can simply transfer your USDT from Binance to Quotex. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.